Today we're going to talk about the importance of concrete preparation and repair. Surface prep is the most important step in any project. It creates a profile on the substrate which greatly enhances the surface profile bond line. This is also referred to as a concrete surface profile or a CSP. A good profile for CSP is between 2 and 4. This is outlined in the guidelines established by ICRI or the International Concrete Repair Institute. Surface prep includes the removal of any contaminants on the surface such as oil, dirt, or debris. This is a bond breaker. This is also important to understand when we get to concrete repair. To begin, grind or abrasive blast concrete substrate. Abrasive blasting is the preferred method, but when not available, grinding is acceptable. Grinding is done by the means of a diamond cup wheel or a Zec wheel. Once blasting and grinding is complete, blow clean compressed air using a leaf blower to remove any contaminants from the surface. This process should take place just prior to the application. You don't want your surface to get recontaminated before you apply your header or expansion joint material. Now you are ready to begin mixing and placement. To fix moderate wear and tear in order to protect your expansion joints. Concrete repair may be needed at some point during the life of the structure. The recommended repair materials that we're going to discuss today include Weybo Parking Series, Master Seal 350 using a clean dry sand or 940 aggregate, and Master Amaco 1060 DR. Weybo Parking Series is a great product for repairs due to its fast turnaround. It cures fast, it mixes fast, in under 2 minutes, and is self-leveling. The product requires minimal tooling to mix, it's so easy to work with. It is the preferred product for small repairs that have sound structural bases. If you happen to have spalled areas on your concrete, you need to address them. For the spall repairs, nice squared edges are important. Cutting and keying will be required for the repair. Install your formwork as necessary and prepare to mix your Weybo Parking Series. Apply to the keyway or base of the blockout. As a header material, it is great because it disperses impact loads, it bonds to itself, and can be applied as thin as a ½ inch. Master Seal 350 plus sand or 940 is a rapid curing epoxy base slurry. This is the perfect repair product to use in moisture sensitive locations. Used for smaller repairs, mix Master Amaco 350, pour it into the blockout, spread the epoxy with a brush, filling all the voids. Broadcast 940 aggregate or kiln dried sand. This will lock in place, leaving a textured bonding surface for the Weybo Parking Series header. Our last repair product that we're going to show you is Master Amaco 1060 DR. You can use the entire 1060/1061 family. Due to the new industry safety guidelines to keep contractors safer on job sites, Master Builder Solution developed this innovative product. The rapid repair mortar significantly reduces the dust by up to 75%. This is a structural material that can be utilized for full depth repairs. We cannot stress enough the importance of prep and repair in your overall project to lead to a safe, successful installation. For more information, contact Bowman Acme.